Hello. So I know it's a bit boring to see unboxing without any voiceover. So here I am narrating, commenting, and maybe reviewing what we have on hand today. Today we're going to unbox Re-ment. Pokémon Town Series 2 is issued by Re-ment to this year around September, I guess, and it just reached here in Taiwan recently. I bought this from a blind box store at Anping, and they have like 6 box in one set. Consists of several scenario or scenes that can be put into like one town square. Re-ment is a candy toy company who is more famous over their miniature furnitures, miniature food, but they have been cooperating with Pokémon for years and release this kind of toys, miniature Pokemons, usually in terrariums or in scenes like trees or winding stairs. So since last year, Re-ment has been issuing this Pokemon Town. Previous year it was Pokemon Town Back Alley. It has Gengar, Umbreon, Mimikyu, which is so cute, and I think it's very popular because nowadays it's a bit hard to find a complete set of them, and if you can find a complete set, it will no longer in their original price. Their prices had gone up a little bit. Because of the success of the first series, they issued this one this year, which is more on the theme of town square. So Pokemon Town Square. It consists of 6 blind box, and this one we just opened here had Smeargle and Eevee with Drifloon balloon, and it looks so cute. And the texture of the wall and the graffiti looks so lifelike. I cannot imagine that this is actually plastic behind camera, but yeah, they are plastic and quite well made. Of course, I think you cannot really compare the quality of the figurine itself to maybe Bandai products or Pop Mart products. They are on different level, I think, but considering that these are miniature, which is very very small, and their QC is not that bad. You can still see the line of the mold, and then maybe some printing problem, but other than that, they look great. I mean, look at this water vinyl. It looks so nice, and it's actually almost like rubber. If you touch it, it's actually quite flexible. And if you see the miniature Pokemon itself, they have different poses and also show different expression in their face. So it looks like, a storytelling. It has a little storytelling in it as well. instance, this naughty Yamper may be bothering the pedo who is showering in the fountain, or they're actually played together. Not all figurine is stuck to the floor. Some of the figurine can be moved around. For instance, Eevee and Yamper can be switched between their backgrounds, and that will create a whole different story. Take it this scene. In this scene, there is Lucario and Cubone. With a hole in his paw, but I cannot find any protrusion in the floor of the background, so it's a bit of a mystery there. Cubone is crying. Why he's crying, and how can I put Lucario upright? The answer is on the last pocket. So we have a Cubone bone, of course, and then we have Drifloon, and we have this mysterious disc. Checking on the picture on the box, I figured that Cubone may be lost his Drifloon balloon, and then Lucario is trying to console him. Drifloon balloon, to be honest, a bit difficult to put on, and then I figured that this is to help Lucario to kneel upright. And then we have our scene. So you can see from Lucario's scene that since they don't really stuck to their floor, it's a bit difficult to arrange the scene sometimes. But we will manage, you know. Look at this one. The fourth scene is another half of the fountain. So we actually have two halves of a fountain. We can have it by itself or joined together. Imagine if I don't get this figurine in one set. If I take only one box as a playing box, Piplup will be playing water by himself. Finally, we got Pikachu box. Pikachu here being paired with Ludicolo, and they are dancing happily together. Ludicolo is the biggest independent figurine in the set. Pikachu by itself is stuck to the floor, so we cannot move Pikachu around. But Ludicolo, we can definitely move him around and maybe put him in another scene. For instance, like in Cubone scene, so he can actually cheering Cubone, so he will no longer crying. We came to our last box, And this must be Snowball. Snowball is a package is a bit different. I think because of the tent over his wall, it needs extra protection. Snowball is stuck to his skin, but since there is only one hole, we can actually turn him around, like around the scene, and make him more interactive with another Pokemon. I love the detail here. You can see the menu for the ice creams, and voila, you can have the complete town square. In conclusion, it's a very good box independently, but better as a set. Till next time, bye.